morning, students. Today we are going to start with the physical features of Europe. As we all know, Europe is not a very large continent but consists of variety of physical features. In Europe, mountains lies towards northwest and south with plains between them. The features of Europe are being divided into four parts. First is Northwestern Highland, second North European plains, third Central uplands, and fourth the Southern mountain system. So let us start with the first one, that is Northwestern Highlands. These mountains extend from the east, that is the Ural Mountains, towards the west, that is till the coast of Atlantic Ocean in the northwest. It includes the mountain system of Finland, Sweden, Norway, and they consist of sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous rocks. These mountains have become rounded and smooth from its tops because of weathering and glacial erosion. Now, what is weathering? Weathering is breaking down of rocks due to rain, due to temperature, due to some biological factors. So, this is how they become rounded from the top. These mountains are also called as Caledonian Mountains, and this Caledonian is named after Caledonia, the Latin word for Scotland. This Caledonia was a mountain building era roughly around 490 to 390 million years ago. Northwestern Highlands are further divided into some parts. First is Ural Mountain. Ural Mountain separates in Ural Mountain, that is in the east of Europe, separating Asia from Europe, and they are 220 kilometers long. Next, Scandinavian Mountains. These are the Scandinavian mountains, consist of Norway, Sweden, Denmark. This exists on the Fennoscandia region. Fennoscandia is the region which includes Scandinavian Peninsula, Finland Peninsula. This is Finland. So this is Finland Peninsula and Kola Peninsula. These mountains have been eroded by glaciers, and again their peaks are rounded in shape. Due to this glacial erosion, these highlands have been reduced to the sea level, but in some parts still they are masses of mountain. In Finland, so many lakes are found, and these are glacier lakes. That is why this Finland is called as land of 1,000 lakes. These long and narrow arms of the sea bottom of the sea between steep and high cliffs. Narrow and long arms of the sea between steep and high cliffs are called as fjords or fjords also. So this coast of Norway is famous for its fjords. Here, next we have the mountains of Britain. This includes the Pennines Mountains, that is Pennines of Britain, and mountains of Scotland, which are again made up of old rocks and have rounded tops due to the glacial erosion. This region is having so many U-shaped valleys also. Next we have Baltic Shield. Baltic Shield these are the highlands again around the Baltic Sea. This is how they are being called as Baltic Shield. They are made up of ancient metamorphic and igneous rocks. Now next is North European Plains. North European Plains, they lie to the south of Northwestern Highlands. These are the Northwestern Highlands, and these are the North European Plains. These plains extends right across Europe from west to east and going through France, Holland, Belgium, Denmark, and ending till Russia. Fine. So except in Russia, These are made up of sedimentary rocks. These are again divided into further two parts, Russian plains and mid-European plains. Russian plains are mainly made up of ancient metamorphic rocks. In southern part, they are covered by loess, which is silt being deposited by cold winds. So this area is rich, has rich soil and good for wheat, ideal for growing wheat. Now next we have Western and Mid-European plains. They extend from marshes of Pripyat to England, till England. So here these plains are made up of alluvial deposits which is laid down by the different rivers. There are different rivers. So this great part of these plains are covered by sedimentary layer, and again it is good for agriculture. In some parts, these hills are being eroded. Here, some hills were eroded and form into basins. So here are some important basins. Here, London Basin, Paris Basin, plains of Lombardy, Hungarian Plain. Fine. So these are, here we have basins, and these North European plain is drained by large number of rivers. So here large number of rivers like Rhine River, Seine River, Volga River, Don River. So these are some important rivers, and this Thames River, which is main river of England. Thank you.